Hey, it's Gino from Stop Talking About Fragrance. This is going to be a very short video. I just wanted to do an unboxing, which is sort of a bittersweet thing. I don't know if this fragrance has been discontinued or not. Stop talking about fragrance. This fragrance is my signature scent. It has been for almost a decade now, I think. I wasn't counting, but something like that for a very long time. I've shown many pictures of this perfume. You know, this was my thing going forward. I was going to be using this scent on the weekends and holidays and just kind of make that a thing. It's my signature scent, and it's something that my family would remember me by. So, I don't know if it's discontinued, but there are none available. It says out of stock on the website. I couldn't find it in many other sites because it was saying sold out. I think Amazon usually has it, and some of the other sites that I normally frequent don't have this in stock. And there are people speculating that it was discontinued, which is a shame because I really like the scent, and also I really like the bottle. I did an animation a while ago for Disney, which is called Blank, a Vinylmation Love Story, where the character, the hero character, is a blank Vinylmation. I don't know if you know what that is, but just a tiny little, almost featureless version of Mickey Mouse. The only thing that gave him an identity was this black bow tie that was given to him. So, I'm recording something.
Can you just give me a Band-Aid after recording?
Yes, I will. I'll get you a Band-Aid. Right, why don't you stay out there, okay? Alright, okay. It'll be quick.
I miss seeing you.
What, you miss seeing me? This year?
This year. Just go here.
Okay, you can watch me, my youngest? Alright, so they did have this at Lucky Scent, and I'm hoping they're coming out with more bottles, but this is from Lucky Scent, so that's where you can get it if you are.
What is that for?
This is my perfume, my signature scent.
Like, who got it for you?
Mommy got it for me.
My mom?
Yes. So this is from Penhaligon's Opus 1870, and I don't know if this is the last bottle I'll buy, but I just got this, and I just wanted to open it up and kind of show you. Because the tripod is not big enough for, doesn't matter. I need a better tripod. All right, so opening this up, Opus 1870. The last time I opened something, it was off camera, which was not too exciting to watch. And hopefully this doesn't slip out of my hands and break. And here we go. So we have this kind of plain, clean, classic style bottle from Penhaligon's with a black bow tie, which just reminds me of the blank character, the main character in that animation. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know why I love this fragrance so much. It's very peppery at the very beginning, has yuzu and a bunch of other fragrance notes that I just love, Gaiac wood, and what else? Oh, it's nice. Let me just spray this on. That's the one. I love it. This is awesome. Here it is, Opus 1870. This might be my last bottle.
Fragrance is about that. No, we're not talking about that.
Okay, you don't have to yell. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go. So the plot thickens. I thought it was going to be a very short, unboxing, pleasant, fun video, but I think I've been had for more than a year and a half. I was looking at the new bottle that I just got, and then I was looking at the old bottle that I had, and then I was thinking about Steven from Redolescence, and he's been doing these how to spot a fake bottle. And I always watch them. I don't know why. There's something about that intrigues me. So, and sometimes it comes down to the embossing on the glass, or the glass and the, I don't know, the little minute details that kind of show that this is a fake bottle or not. I think I've been had. Incense. Oh my gosh, I forgot incense. I do like the incense. I have to change that color every time. That looks gross. Change it. There we go. Oh boy. Yeah, incense. I don't know why I didn't mention that in the breakdown. All right, let's see. I'm a royal mess. Okay, never mind. So yeah, this is the new bottle. See how it has this little raised part? And this is the old, which I think is fake bottle. They smell fairly the same. Two different bottoms on it. I don't even know if this is it. Yeah. One's got the sticker and one's got the fine print. Two different bow ties. This one's got a little bit more going on. This one's droopy. Pretty ragged back here, like how it was put together. And then I don't know if you can see the clarity between the little ball, glass balls on the top, or the crystals, whatever that's supposed to be. But this one, although it is new, it has a different quality to it. There's also a seam right here. I don't know if you can see that. The seam that runs along the side here, there's no seam on this one, or it's really faint. The two glass impressions of the Penhaligon's crest, or whatever that is, the name Penhaligon's London. This one is a little bit more smooth and a different size and shape. They're not, I don't know if they're different fonts, but you can also see the one is like a invisible, what's it called? Straw? Invisistraw. One's an Invisistraw and one's not an Invisistraw, even if you see it in the juice. I don't know. This looks awfully suspicious to me, but it's probably just an old bottle. That's it. This was a weird video. Completely changed sets. I built this whole thing. Yeah. I'm gonna try to use this a little bit more as a set. I think I like the pegboard. I'm probably gonna put a couple shelves in here. It's not as hot, although I am still sweating. It's not as hot as the shed, so there's that. So, yeah. My scent of the day is Opus 1870. That's the right one. I don't know if the other one was the right one. Be careful where you buy your stuff. Although I think that is probably... That is... The other one was probably authentic. I'm just getting paranoid. All right, Gino, time for me to stop talking about fragrance and stop building sets. I like it though. This is nice. I wish I had a window, but the window's giving me light. All right.